Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Today I am going to show you the best alternative to bone meal, how to use it and what results we can expect. I have been using it on some of my plants myself and that's why I am recommending this product to you if you don't want to use bone meal. I am using it on my strawberry plants. So far getting really good result, harvested lots of strawberries, and at the same time I am also using it on my hollyhocks. Hollyhock is blooming really very well and it's in just the 8-inch of pot, and here we can see it's growing so tall. The second hollyhock plant is yet to bloom and it's producing the buds already. So the product that we can use instead of bone meal is rock phosphate. It's available on Amazon and I hope you can buy it online. Anyway, I will put the link in the description box. Alright, let's take a look how to use it, and I am also going to discuss few very important things. Using it really very simple, and for 1 8-inch of pot, please take 15 grams mustard cake powder and then take 15 grams rock phosphate. That's it, and if you apply it once in 25 to 30 days, it's more than enough. Let me also show you how easily you can apply these fertilizers on any of your plants. Let's discuss about few important things that you need to know. First one is rock phosphate is not a complete fertilizers, and that's why you need to add some other components as well. And for better result, please always try to use, let's say, 10 to 15 grams of mustard cake powder. If you don't have mustard cake powder, then you can use either fish emulsion, blood meal, or even 50 to 70 grams of either vermicompost or compost cow dung powder. The second important thing is you need to use it within 1 year of packaging. Anyway, all these things are written on the packaging as we can see here. And here is another thing, they have recommended 10 grams for one plant. But I found that using 15 grams also is okay. So you can use either 10 grams or 15 grams. So guys, it was a very short video and I did it because I know that there are many people who are not comfortable with using bone meal. That's why I wanted to show you one best product that you can use instead of bone meal, and here you can see I am also showing you the results as well so that you can use it with much more confidence. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you like it, share it and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask me. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.